love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today in the entire Python this chapter 84, and as I told you, as of yesterday the NumPy is over. So today we are starting a new chapter called SciPy, and this is chapter number 1 in SciPy. The SciPy, unlike the NumPy, it will not be like 42 chapters or 43 chapters. It will be relatively short. I think it will be like in the range of 10. And then I'm actually thinking what to do next, but we have enough. But I'm just thinking about it. So we did the right thing by doing NumPy first while starting with the SciPy, and I'll actually explain to you why. A SciPy, NumPy we know it's a numerical this thing. A SciPy is a scientific computation library that uses NumPy underneath. So that is why we cover the base of the pyramid, and on top of it is the SciPy. The SciPy stands for Scientific Python. So what is a Scientific Python? The SciPy is a scientific computation library that uses NumPy. I think this is actually repeated. My apologies for the same. I'm not sure how it actually happened. All right. So basically, it provides more utility function for optimization, stats, and signal processing. We have also seen signal processing in NumPy. So for any kind of stats, optimization, signal processing, the SciPy is actually used. Like NumPy, the SciPy is an open source, so we can use it freely. It was created by Travis Olipin. Okay, so this is a SciPy. So why do we use a SciPy? If SciPy uses NumPy underneath, why can't we just use NumPy? Okay, this is one thing, right? As I said, the SciPy has optimized and added functions that are frequently used in NumPy and data science. So if you guys want to be big in data science with the amount of data and other things, the computational speed, the SciPy has really optimized and added functions. This is like evolution, right? So you actually do something and then you get better and stuff of that nature, right? So the SciPy has optimized and added functions that are frequently used in NumPy and data science, right? So which language is SciPy is actually written? SciPy is predominantly written in Python, but there are a few segments written in C. Okay, for us, like in this case, since I'm actually using the Anaconda, which has been I've been using the Anaconda for quite some time, I don't have to worry of installation and stuff of that nature. Like when I say import NumPy as NP, likewise I actually do SciPy. Okay, so that I'll actually show you. So the SciPy, it is basically from SciPy import constants. Okay, so this from SciPy import constants. We say import NumPy as MP. That MP is just aliasing, and here we say import SciPy from SciPy import constants. So in this case, when we actually say that we have imported the constants module from SciPy and the application is ready to use. Okay, so let me actually tell you this. If I actually take this, if I actually go here, I say from SciPy, okay, import NumPy as MP, right? So I say from SciPy import this constants module. Okay, so from SciPy import this constants module, and I say from, okay, I think I did from SciPy, I say import the constants module, and then I say print constants.liter. Okay, print constants.liter. So when I actually run it, it's going to give me 0.001. All right. So the constants, the SciPy actually offers a set of mathematical constants. One of them is liter, which means 1 liter is cubic meters. We will learn more about the constants in the next chapter. If you want to check for the versioning of the SciPy, this is the way we would use, and see here, there are 2 underscore characters are used in the version, underscore. So I want to check this thing. So import SciPy. So import NumPy as MP, right? So import SciPy. So print SciPy dot underscore version underscore. Okay, so 2 things are used. So this will actually tell me what this Jupyter Notebooks is using. It is version 1.7.1. All right, guys. So this actually is an introduction of SciPy. I trust you have actually watched this lecture, enjoyed it, and probably understood the same. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to explain to you the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time. and the other is my wife Jayashree following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.